November 9th, 2020, Fluency. Number 1, what is the product of 2 and 3/10 and 67 hundredths? Well, I know that word product means to multiply. So, when I multiply here, do I have to line up my decimals? No, I don't. Not when we're multiplying. You don't have to. So I know 2 and 3/10. I'm going to line them up to the right. So 2 and 3/10. I'm going to actually move those over a little bit and down just a little bit. All right. There we go. All right, times 67 hundredths. Times 67, whoop, 67 hundredths. All right. So when I multiply these, what are we going to do here? Well, I know that, whoop, I actually don't even need the type answer there. All right, so 7 times 3 I know is 21, so I'm going to carry that 2, drop that 1, so 21. Then I know 7 times 2 is going to be 14, plus 2 is going to be 15. 1, 5, All right, now, we're done with this 2. You can either cross it out or you can delete it because we are doing it virtually. That's fine. But that 7, we do need to keep it there and just cross it out because we are now moving over to our next digit, which means we need to put a placeholder of 0. All right, so 6 times 3, well, I know that's 18, so I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 8. I know 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. All right, now what am I going to do with these two numbers? We are indeed going to add them up. All right, so 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 8, or 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry that 1, drop that 3. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. Oh, and then I forgot this one. My bad. There we go. Plus that 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is going to be 5. 5. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. All right, now what do we do here? We forgot or we didn't do our decimals yet. So remember, with our decimals, we need to figure out how many digits we move in. So in 1, in 2, and in 3. So that means we're going to move 3 over in our final answer. 1, 2, 3. So our decimal is going to go in between that 1 and that 5. And that's it for our first one. So our answer is 1 and 531 thousandths. All right, number 2, find the difference between 68 and 12 hundredths and 34 and 98 thousandths. I know that word difference means that we are going to subtract. So I'm going to put our bigger number on top, 68 and 12 hundredths, 68. In this case, we do need to line up our decimals because we're adding or subtracting. We're subtracting, so we need to line them up. Line them up. Line them up. All right, so 68 and 12 hundredths minus 34 and 98 thousandths. 34, we are going to line up our decimals. Here we go. 34 and 098. 098. Alrighty. Here we go. Now, with these, we are going to subtract. Let's put a placeholder 0 over here so that we can subtract properly. All right, 0 minus 8 we cannot do. So this 2 becomes a 1. To make this 0 a 10. Bada bing, bada boom. 10 minus 8 is going to be 2. 1 minus 9 we can't do, so that 1 becomes a 0. 0, 0. To make this one an 11. I am actually going to cross that out and put 11 up top. I'll have to add another 1 there. All right, and now 11 minus 9 is going to be 2. 0 minus 0 is in fact 0. Drop that decimal down, drop it like it's hot, or drop it low. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then 6 minus 3 is 3. So our answer is 34 and 22 thousandths. So you can put that down there if you want. 34 and 22 thousandths. All right, now this last one, number 3. What is the quotient of 612 divided by 9? Quotient means the answer to a division problem. Woohoo! So I did put right here our division bar sign here. So 612 is going to go in the middle. Let's see, let's put a little more ones here. All right, so 612 is going to go on the inside. 6, 1, 2. All right, and then divided by 9. So 9 is going to go on the outside of our house here. All right, now, how many times can 9 go into 6? Oh, wait, it can't. So you don't even have to put anything there if you don't want to. I'm going to leave it. So 9, how many times can 9 go into 61? Well, I know 9 times 7 is 63. That's too much. So how about 9 times 6? That's 54. So 9 times 6, I'm going to put that 6 over the 1 here. So 9 times 6 is going to be 54. I'm going to put 54 down here. And I'm going to subtract. Now, 1 minus 4 is not 6. 1 minus 4 is not 6. Or, I'm sorry, 1 minus 4 is not 3. 1 minus 4 you can't do, so that 6 becomes a 5 to make that an 11. So 11 minus 4, or 61 minus 54, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 54 plus what equals 61? So 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So I got 7. All right, so 61 minus 54 is 7. I'm going to drop this 2 down here. So this 2 is going to go boop, 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 down here. Now, 72. How many times can 9 go into 72? It can go in 8 times. I know that. So 9 times 8 is, in fact, 72. When we do subtract here, we do get 0. So we have no remainders. And I'll have to add another division bar in there, too. We have no more remainders, and that is it for our answer. So our answer is 68. So our answer is 68. And that is it for our fluency. Great job.